Okay, here's the situation. I did just swap out this component right down here. Not swap out, but this, I bypassed the preheater piece there. I also cleaned this all out yesterday. I did notice I'm already getting oil over here on this thing, which was clear like it is on this side as of yesterday. Now looking down, can't really see a lot, but I am getting some more oil back here. So I'll start it up and let you listen to it. You can hear the pinging in it. A little bit more than what I'm used to sounding like. Hear the puffing? Sounds like an exhaust manifold to me, but I wanted to get your input. Thanks, bud.